anatomical position of stomach. Cardiac end lies 2.5 cm left to the midline at the level of thoracic 11 vertebra. Pyloric end lies 1.25 cm right to the midline at the level of first lumbar vertebra. Greater curvature from the left border of the stomach. Two orifice, cardiac orifice, pyloric orifice. Two curvature, greater curvature, lesser curvature. Fundus, body, pyloric antrum, pyloric canal. Rugi.
হলুদ
Rugi.
আর এগুলার সাইজ কিটা হয় এফেক্টর সাইড